Hi, this is Matt Anderson with TP Mechanical, back with you again today for our series on improving indoor air quality. Today we're going to demonstrate how we clean and sanitize your evaporator coils. Our experienced HVAC technician is here servicing the rooftop units for a 30,000 square foot commercial office building. To begin, he removes the cover and the air filters from the unit to expose the contaminated evaporator coil. Next, he will put on all the proper personal protective equipment before applying the cleaning product. Starting in the upper left-hand corner, our technician applies an EPA-certified cleaning solution, working his way down the coil. Cleaning and disinfecting the coil will improve the indoor air quality of your facility as the conditioned air we breathe passes over this coil and into the occupied space. The product is left on the coil for 3 minutes to allow the solution to disinfect as well as remove dust, mold, and virus particles from the evaporator coil. After 3 minutes, our technician will replace the air filters as part of our full service maintenance program. TP Mechanical provides service to our customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with a guaranteed response time of 4 hours. Reach out to your local TP Mechanical office today or visit tpmechanical.com for a custom quote on improving indoor air quality in your commercial building.